Hey y'all, it's Ryan at MarineMax in beautiful Dallas, Texas. Come with me while I show you a few of our favorite things about the brand new 2025 Sea Ray SDX 250 stern drive. My absolute favorite thing about the Sea Ray SDX 250 is how the seating in the boat is completely customizable. On the transom, you have an extended lounger that can be laid down into a lily pad. Co-captain's chair can be flipped forward or for more seating in the hull. And then the captain's chair comes all the way forward as well. In the captain's chair, we have a 9-inch Simrad screen that will let you know absolutely everything you need to know about what's going on inside the boat and all around you. We also have a digital throttle with active trim. And for the last favorite thing that we're going to go over today for the 250 SDX is the cooler storage. We have huge cooler storage right here in the body of the boat, and then also in the front of the boat, in the bow. How awesome is that? You can fit easily as many drinks as you and your party need for a full day on the water. Once again, my name is Ryan at MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. Give us a call. We'll go ahead and show you this 250 SDX.